Hello YouTube, and meet Izzion. He's my half husky, half German shepherd fur generator. What you see on my bed is literally a daily situation for me, even though I brush him at least once a week. I've talked about brushes for removing pet hair on this channel a few times, and still go for the Analan Mini Pet Hair detailer when I need to remove pet hair from cars or household areas. However, there is a way to make these silicone brushes even more effective at what they do, and it's with a couple of small household consumables that you likely have on hand already. All we need for this is a spray bottle, some fabric softener, and optionally some of the Unstoppables in-wash scent boosters. Just put in 1 ounce of fabric softener for every 8 ounces of water. If you choose to add these scent boosters, a quarter capful per 8 ounces. If you're going with the scent boosters, you'll want to use hot water so they dissolve a good bit quicker. Let it sit for about 10 minutes and shake it up periodically until everything is fully mixed. Just 1 or 2 simple sprays onto the area you're wanting to remove hair is all that's needed for it to do its magic. Thanks to the fabric softener, it helps to break the static bond that causes pet hair to cling to surfaces, and with the slight amount of added wetness, it helps to cling to the other hairs, making it easier to pick up or vacuum up. This is also a wonderful spray to use just in between washes for things such as towels, curtains, and rugs, just to freshen the house up a bit. But that's all we have for this quick little video. As always, if you like the content I'm putting out, make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all new content as it comes out. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.
Come on. Up on down.